All right, the next strike we're going to do is a Shomen strike. Shomen. The last strike we did was a Yokomen strike. Yokomen was on an angle to come down and hit your opponent between the shoulder and the head, right in the neck area, collarbone, right? Yokomen strike. This one is going to be Shomen strike. We're going to be coming over the top, all right? If you have lights or a ceiling up above, be careful. Don't hit the ceiling. Don't break the lights. All right, so we're going to start. We want to attack with our whole body, so we're going to step back and then strike with the power of our whole body. All right, when you strike, you shouldn't be chopping down like you're chopping wood on an axe. You're going to be coming over and flicking out. The top of the jaw goes out, as if it were a sword, because swords always slice. All right? Shomen strike.